As of recently, I've always been watching those videos, especially in Japan. They have vending machines for noodles, pizza, etc. And I was thinking, I was like, does America have anything like that? And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. There aren't a lot of them. Matter of fact, there is only a couple of them, but I think I found one. I think that is it. Is that it? Just sitting up in the cut right there? Oh my goodness. Let's see what the hype's about. I mean, to be honest, this probably has been here for the longest. I'm just building up the hype. It's a hype for me, man. Wow, smart pizza machine made by the best pizza masters, 24/7, hot and delicious, ready in just 3 minutes. Oh, are they not taking cards? Whoa, $12.95. Jackpot. While we prepare your order, play to win a free product. Try your luck. Try to win a free product. Everybody, count down with me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Let me get that receipt though. Of the vending machine, first try. Wow. Pizza lovers. The box looks pretty good. Should we get some sunlight for the grand reveal? All right, you guys are ready? Wow. Wow. Look guys, my expectations, okay, I'm not, I ain't here to bash or anything. My expectations are it's only gonna get better. This is just the beginning. I'm gonna pull. Whoa. Look at that cheese pull. Looks real good. It's okay. It is okay, guys. It is okay. If I had to get this out of a 10, it would probably be a 5 or a 6. We'll go with a 6 out of 10, guys. You know what I'm saying?